How to add story on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can add story on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, adding stories on TikTok is fairly simple. All you have to do is basically just launch the TikTok app, and then you're gonna see this type of interface here. Now after you have done that, what you want to do is simply come to your profile page, and you'll find a couple of these options here. If you look right at the bottom of your profile picture, you'll find a little plus icon. So when you tap the plus icon there, here you can just select a certain thing that you would like to add, and now you can simply add this to your story by just tapping the your story button. If you tap on next, it will basically take you to the post page, but we don't want to post it on our timeline, but we only want to post it on our story. So just tap the your story button to basically add stories on TikTok. That's all it takes to basically add story on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.